In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Epic Games to Steam. If you play across both platforms, linking your accounts helps bring your libraries and friends closer together, and it can make crossplay or entitlement checks smoother in supported games. We'll walk through the exact clicks so you can get it done in just a couple of minutes. Start with the Epic Games launcher open on your computer and make sure you're signed in to the correct Epic account. At the top right corner of the launcher, click your profile icon or name. This opens a small menu with options related to your account and settings. From that menu, choose Account. This will jump you out to your default web browser and load the Epic account portal for the profile you're using in the launcher. Give it a moment to load fully before moving on, especially if you haven't opened this page in a while. Once you're in your Epic account portal, look for the section that manages connections. It's typically labeled Connections or Linked Accounts. Open Linked Accounts to see a list of services that can be connected to Epic. This is where Epic centralizes all third-party links, so you can manage them in one place. In the list of available services, find Steam. Click the Steam option to begin the linking process. You'll usually see a short explanation of what information may be shared between Epic and Steam, such as your basic account identifier needed to verify ownership or enable certain features. When the prompt appears, click Continue to confirm you want to proceed. This hands you off to Steam's secure sign-in page so you can authenticate directly with Steam. It's normal to be redirected at this stage. Now, sign into your Steam account. Make sure it's the exact Steam profile you want linked to your Epic account, since one Epic account can only be connected to one Steam account at a time. If Steam asks for a security code, complete that verification, then approve the authorization request so Epic and Steam can connect. After you authorize, you'll be sent back to the Epic account portal. You should now see Steam marked as connected under linked accounts. If the status doesn't update right away, refresh the page or return to the launcher and sign out and back in to prompt a sync. From here on, games that support linking will recognize the connection automatically. If you run into any errors, double check that you're using the intended accounts on both platforms and that you've completed any security prompts. That's it. Your Epic Games and Steam accounts are now connected. Enjoy a smoother experience across both platforms, and happy gaming.